And first position shut. First position open. Our arms go nice and round. Can you pretend you're hugging a balloon? Now let your balloon rise up and up and up in the sky. So high it lifts us to our tippy toes. Relevate, like me, and fall. Relevate and fall. Relevate and fall. Relevate and fall. Good work.
Good job.
I like it. I like it. Now everybody, we're going to tell our knees it's time to open the window. You think we can open a window? Open. A. Up straight.
Put your feet together, Gracie.
A. Up straight. Lee A. Up straight. Lee A. Up straight. Good, Plee A's. All right. Mr. Tandu, he's a pointer. Who can make our toes be a pointer? Look at my toes. Tandu. Come home. Tandu. Come home. Tandu.